Christmas! Drop that bag!
Guru! It's almost Christmas Eve. Will the presents be ready on time?
They will. Come and see for yourself. I told you our special Christmas surprise was the perfect plan.
Today is Christmas Eve. 3 little dinosaurs gather at Dylan's house to decorate the Christmas tree.
I'm going to decorate it with a ribbon. I'll add the lights to make it shiny and bright. Polly, you did great! That looks wonderful! But it still feels like something is missing. I agree. Dylan, where's the decorations you were supposed to bring? Oops, I forgot all about it. Dylan, I'm sorry. The Christmas tree is missing an important decoration. Can you help me? What do you think the Christmas tree needs? What a great idea! Let's summon the badge together! Garu! Garu! Go, Dino! Wow! Thanks for your help! The star on top of the tree looks amazing! Thank you! I know what will make the tree even better! Let's add Christmas decorations with our wishes for Santa on them! Dylan, what's your wish? I want a... Shh! It's a secret for Santa! I did remember to make that! It looks good on the tree!
Ow! Stop shoving me!
Oh!
Oh, ho, ho! Hello, children. It's me, Santa Claus, here with your gifts. Ah, there he is, my reindeer.
Santa, why did you bring your reindeer? Doesn't he stay on the roof?
Because I wanted to surprise you. Yeah, that's it.
Wow! Santa, do you have a gift for me too?
Of course.
But the gift I wished for was...
Guru, come look inside my magic bag and you'll see.
Garu! There's so much room in here! But it's dark. I can't see... What happened?
What a perfect plan!
And expertly executed, too.
Finally! A wonderful Christmas Eve dinner and full stomachs this year!
Merry Christmas!
Wow! Did you see that? It's the real Santa Claus!
Oh my, the real Santa Claus!
According to my list, this is where little dinosaur Dylan lives. But where is he?
Santa, Dylan is sleeping, but do you have gifts for us?
We were good all year long,
We kept our rooms clean.
even though it was an empty cave.
We also brushed our teeth every day.
It was easy because our teeth are falling out.
Of course I have presents for you. I heard your wishes.
Hooray!
Here you are.
Whoa!
Wow.
Thank you so much, Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa. It's time for us to go to bed now.
Ow!
Hey, what's in the bag?
Ow!
Drop that bag! Yeah!
Mr. Know-It-All, snap out of it.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you very much.
We gotta get out of here, you twerp.
Merry Christmas to everyone! Ow! Achoo! It's cold. Where am I?
Run, you knucklehead!
I need to save those kids! Reindeer, let's fly! Yeah! You're safe now. Are you alright?
Oh, look! It's the real Santa Claus! Santa? Is it really you this time?
Ho, ho, ho. Yes, it's me, Santa. Pull in my beard and you'll see I'm real. Then check out my magical sleigh and flying reindeer.
Santa, can I pet your reindeer? Please? And can I sit on your sleigh?
Of course you can.
The fur is so soft! Hooray! Santa, do you have presents for us? We were good all year long. We kept our rooms clean. We also brushed our teeth every day.
Yes, you're on my good list.
Oh my! It's the beautiful winter cape I wanted. It's the meet Santa and his reindeer and to ride in his sleigh.
Indeed you did, Dylan. Come up, children. I have many gifts to deliver before the night is over. Can you help?
Can we? We'd love to!
Today's plan failed again, Guru. Now we're going to bed on Christmas Eve with empty stomachs again.
Luckily, we still have our gift from Santa. Let's see what we got.
It would be great if it's the Christmas dinner we just lost. Zucchini seeds!
These zucchini seeds are for Rocky and Mr. Know-It-all,
Whose wish was to always have enough to eat. May you have a bountiful harvest.
Gah!